Our story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.